Master KG, when you listen to it on a Friday afternoon, at this point in time, anytime from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m., that is the story. That is our program, Lagos University, CIBPR Weekly, and we are here.
After the Easter break. Yeah, last week we were here too. Last Friday we were here because we were on the program, but then we enjoyed the Easter break. By the guest, Daud is my name. We have my other co-anchors in the building, and they're ready to do this together. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, listeners. Ademola Adeko is my name.
Good afternoon, Holani Ijarago is my name.
Okay, that's all you want to say. You don't want to say thank you, welcome.
No, Ramadan Kareem.
Yeah, okay. We have a lot of other people working behind the scene. Our own dear producer, we have two of them.
Are we Ramadan?
He's just reminding us. I know, Mr. Rika, I know he's just trying to. I know what he's trying to do. I'm playing mind's game. No,
in the next 3 days or 4 days, you know yourself.
Why are you reminding us now? Okay, let's do what we know how to do best. That is talking about Lagos University and all that. Things that even entertainment, sports, and everything that you need to know, even about Nigeria and Lagos, anything that has to do with last week, we tell you. And let's start this way with the highlights so that you know our talking points. Yes, we have this one. Balogun Eko's latest attack on chairman and pro-chancellor as the governing council Professor Adebayo Ninalowo is a passing distraction. Yes, it's a passing distraction. We can say that boldly. Lagos State University partners Cornell University. This one is coming at the point there we have been waiting for this very partnership, and right here it's here with us. Okay, moving away from the last week, Gate Construction University Management calls for cooperation. We're going to have a befitting university gate, and for the meantime, we have to be out with us as we do the construction. So that is the story. We tell you more on this and other in the course of the program. Third LASU Research Fair Committee takes sensitization across LASU campuses, LASUCOM, and Ekpe inclusive. Yes, we were there yesterday in Ekpe. Wednesday it was LASUCOM. Well, those will come in the course of the program. LASUMPA one-day leadership summit holds as speakers, task partner, participants on all-inclusive leadership. Yes, leadership is one thing that we need to talk about. Cargo directs to train staff, students on importation and exportation of goods and services. That took place yesterday at the Buba Marwa Auditorium. All you need to know, this is a time for us to make money from business and all the rest if you're an entrepreneur. And in sport, we'll be talking about Premiership Cup, Premiership, EPL, and other leagues of the world as they resume this weekend. Don't forget Championship, the UEFA Champions League is back as well. And then I know Chelsea is flying. They went on the road and they won. I will tell you all the rest. And don't forget, last Championship is already taking place, and you can see the students enjoying themselves as well. And don't forget all you need to know about HIFL Cup that is coming very soon. All this and more will come after this short, the first breather. Don't go. The program is last week's CIBPR Weekly. Yeah, after that first break, we go into the business of the day. Yes, quickly, Lagos University was in the news, and we did something during the week, and just telling this one that has to do with us, with somebody that has to do with Balogun Eko's latest attack on the chairman. We are of the university that we have called a passing distraction. I like that word.
Well, I think it is well captured, a passing distraction. Ordinarily, we are not supposed to have responded to this kind of a thing. And even as the write-up, the press release we did, as Omoluabi and as a Yoruba, our culture forbids a younger person abusing an elderly person. It is out of this world. It's not part of our culture, and we need to condemn it. Even if I'm not in this university environment, we need to stop that kind of a thing. Well, ordinarily, like I said, we don't need to give recognition to the Balogun Eko, call himself Balogun Eko. I don't know. It's not the original one, maybe the fake one. Anyway, unfortunately, I met somebody who probably is a close family of his, and he said, I can't identify with that kind of attitude. So I'm not proud to say he's part of our family. You see, if you have done very well, somebody will say, yes, we are proud of you. But if you have done badly, just like he has done, people will run away from you. They will say, yes, we cannot associate ourselves with this kind of a person. I think that's exactly what happened. But unfortunately, the man has been speaking with both sides of his mouth. At the time, he commended the chairman governing council for doing justice. And another time, he castigated the man as if he was talking to a small boy. talking. I don't want to mention all the things.
Don't want
I
to go
said.
into the details here. So let's allow it to be that passing
exactly. Though the university has responded, and we have responded well.
Very well, yes. And we
captured.
We didn't even go below the belt. So this one concerns Lagos University as well. We have been talking about this for a very long time, and this is the time to really talk about it on the highest level. And you are hearing from the very first time right here on LASU CIBR Weekly, and we are talking about the partnership with one of the best universities in the world, because we are one of the best as well. So two best universities coming together to partner. This is one concerns LASU and the Cornell University. Jerry, do you have details about that?
Well, very importantly, we just need to give it to the past administration, being led by Professor Olanrewaju Adigunfagbo, who initiated the process, and I want to believe is still very much in the process. And we have to give it to Acting Vice Chancellor also and other members of the management for following that normal procedure and the process of ensuring that we have this partnership come to stay. And the beauty of it is that we are not just having partnership with the local universities, sister universities around in Nigeria. We have extended our tentacles down to abroad, where we are having Cornell on the board now, and we have a lot of certificates that will be coming on courtesy of that program. It's open to all the staff, it's open to students, and it's open to corporate bodies also. In the next couple of weeks, we are going to be coming out with more information as regards how candidates can go about getting themselves up, the application and then the fee to be paid. But the beauty of it is that it's not about the local certificate again. Okay. It's about internationalization of our academic programs at Lagos State University.
That is very awesome, and we wish LASU and Cornell the best of time as they come together to ensure that you add value to humanity. Yes, because when you do this kind of thing, it's all about impactful attitude and all the rest. Yes, moving away from that one. Yes, LASU, guys, this one is coming very soon. The LASU, the construction company, that is ECC, they are going to start the construction of a new gate, a befitting new gate at the Badagry end of Lagos State University. And the university management has called for utmost caution and cooperation from the members of the university community.
Yes, I think it's long overdue that we should have another befitting gate. Though we have one now that we are proud of. And the other one is because the kind of the road construction that is ongoing, the university could not construct a new gate at that time. But now that the road is getting to advanced stage, we need a new one, a befitting one. I want to say that gate has been there since I was here as a student, and we think we need to compete with the best. Our gate should be one of the first things that will attract people. When people are passing the years, this is Citadel of
Even
learning.
this one, I can't count how many pictures that has been taken with this very one.
I know our friend here, Jerry, has done so many photographs. And one thing about it is this. I think that gate attracted over 500,000 followership when that thing was posted. Over 500, and by now it should be millions of people who have retweeted, recycled, and everything. So it's good when we have that kind of a thing. You know, so many pictures has been taken. It is now trending everywhere. And when we have this kind of gates too, when we have this kind of gate, it's something that will also give us good.
In fact, this one will cause traffic with this very one.
Sure, and also it's also in an international road. Yes, and I think we need to everything, so which is good. And what we are saying is that the investment management seek for caution, cooperation, that members of the university community should ensure that their safety is ensured. They should be careful when they, and also road will be vehicles will be diverted to another place. So people should just cooperate and do the right thing.
Okay, please, cooperation is needed. We need your understanding as we construct that gate, because at the end of the day, it's going to add value to all of us and the university as well. Moving away from that, yet the third LASU research fair is almost here. It's going to happen right here, live and direct at LASU in June. But then all the preparations, you can see the committee working behind doors, ensuring that everything is intact. They have gone to LASUCOM, they have gone to faculties here, and yesterday they were in Ekpe, and Ekpe received them with all the understanding that yes, we need to really embrace research.
Well, that is the way to go. We have had the first one, the second one, and this is the third one, like you said. And we have to give it to the Director of Research Management and Innovation, Professor Olumuyiwa Odusonya. And I think I am quite aware that it was the Deputy chairman,
assistant director, Dr. Yeroku
that led the team to Ekpa yesterday. So, if you really want to get more people, if you really want to get more participation, more participants at the conference, you need to really reach out. You need to really.
You didn't say something. That's the hometown of Mr. Adekoya.
We are still coming to that.
Okay, we should not rush. I was because they didn't give us fish yesterday.
Okay, we are talking about the conference. Don't let us mix it together. So the truth is that we need a lot of people at the conference that period. I think it's going to come up around June yes. This year. So we need a lot of participation. We want more people this time around. We need people to come around to showcase whatever they have. School of Agric is in this one, and then Faculty of Engineering. I've read what they are intending to do. So we just need to encourage all other faculties, even our sister universities around there in Lagos and outside Lagos. They should partner with us. They should join. Even it can be through hybrid.
Yes.
So and you're a member of the committee. Yes. As soon as we are getting some other unfolding information, definitely we'll make it available to the public. Then, talking about the food.
No, don't go there, Jerry. Let me start quickly. I've bailed you out that you are not.
You have bailed your coordinator out.
You have gone on without.
That's an indictment.
If you visit a particular place without informing me, and then I'm good enough. The registrar of the university, the boss of the university, they are from there.
He's indicting those officers.
I will send your message back to them. So
quickly, let's talk about this. I know research is very, very important, like we said. But what message do we have for corporate organizations so that they can, because at the end of the day, they are the end users of all these innovations?
Yes, you see, we have not really maximized or probably this research fair. That's why we are encouraging industries, local cottage industries to come and utilize this opportunity. This window is for everybody. Come and showcase what you have done. Come and let us know how people can patronize you. You see, why are we doing research fair? Why are we doing a trade fair? It's just for us to expose everything that we have. And good enough, Lagos State University, we should also project local content. People should not come from outside and begin to show us what they are doing. What are we doing as a university?
We must not continue to rely on the West for everything.
So what are we doing as a university? That's why I said we need to really maximize this research fair. I think the first one that we did, the former governor of Lagos State came. Was it the second one?
The second one.
And it challenged everybody. Fashola, yes. He talked about data collection, research, a lot of things, research and all that. I think I remember I also mentioned that, yes, CIPPR can also go into it and also do some kind of researches. Data, how do people fall sick, what period of time, what would lead to that sickness. We can collect data from health center and come up with a result.
Yes.
I think in this part of the world, it's because we are not challenged. And at that time, when former governor Fashola challenged us, some of us thought that we need to do something. That's why we need to call our consciousness to this kind of idea. Let people be challenged to do new things. Innovation cannot come when you are not challenged. It is when you are challenged. I say, okay, yes, I'm really challenged. I will come with a new thing.
All right, that's it. You've heard it from us that you need to do more to ensure that, we are part of this research fair. Everybody, whether you are part of LASU, outside LASU, we are calling on corporate organizations and individuals to ensure that, they are part of this so that we can collaborate and do things together. Yes. Although we want to take another short break. When we come back, the story continues. Don't go away. It's still CIPPR Weekly right here on LASU FM.
But he no joke. As we assemble, assemble. This one I get bedo.
Shoka lo shebi.
Mandema, I'm a logo, mandema, I'm a beta, mandema. You can call me small doctor. Any paper I knock the up. Too like Jerry. I won't go on, I want go on. I won't go on.
What a lovely combination by the small doctor featuring DVD. I call him DVD. His real name is David Adeleke, but his stage name is Davido. And I hope and pray this guy to follow the part of Burna Boy and Whiskey to win Grammy Award. Yeah, this one is called Mandema featuring Small Doctor featuring Davido. That is lovely. Okay, on that note, we are back right there, guys. What's up? Mr. Shehu, you are here with us. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
I thought you were going to use Master for
Master Shehu. Okay, it's not Master KG. I can see you are smiling now. Yeah,
actually, I'm a master. I'm a jack of all trades, master of all.
In Chinese film, I hear master. I don't know whether you watch Chinese film those days.
Master, the enemies are here.
Okay, quick, we are back right here on Last Week CRPR Weekly. We have a lot of people right here in the studio. Mrs. Mogaji, Ope just walked in, Theo Dumont, even Kunle behind the camera. Thank you, guys. And don't forget our super duper producer talking about Omido. God bless you guys. And those who are behind us, some of them are doing matriculation this afternoon. We want to say big congratulations to you guys. Yes, quickly, just some minutes ago, we just came from the Mariwa Auditorium, and it was the orientation for 2020 Mudlaye Sandwich Degree Program. That was awesome, and we had a lot of people talking about discipline, dressing very well, and ensuring that you adhere strictly to the rules and regulations that bind this university. Jerry, I was there, you were there.
Well, that is the way to go.
Okay, you were there, I was there.
Both. That's the way to go.
The two both of us.
The two both of us now. Not be only you Wakako. So that is the true way to go.
Ms. Mogaji was there too.
So we enjoyed ourselves there.
I think he was right.
The thing is that it's a new idea. We just have to give it to the coordinators of that program, being led by Professor Olade Pupo Olushola, for doing a yeoman job there. And you need to see the old Larry. Thank God you were there.
I was there.
And you saw everything
both
there.
Of us handcalled.
The place was filled to the gallery.
Yes, and I like the atmosphere in that place. Those guys were happy.
It's convivial.
Very happy. I saw Mrs. Mogaji too. She was just grinning from here to here. That this the day that the Lord has made. I'm not a pastor.
You remember when she was also
a student choir?
She was like that. Good old days.
I know.
But the unfortunate thing about Mrs. Mogaji is that she's not on microphone.
Okay, Shehu, quickly now. I know.
Well, I will speak for her.
So I know. You know, this is a tradition, and I like the fact that we are combining two events in one: the matriculation and the orientation. We have done the first part. The second part will be in the afternoon, the matriculation exercise itself.
Yes, 2:30 is the time, and we are looking forward to it. The students, most especially, are looking forward to it. It's a thing of a privilege when you are able to get admission to a university like Lagos State University, the Sandwich program. And one thing we've always let students know is that their certificate is the same with those of full-time students. And so I'm very sure that they are happy. They'll be looking forward to this day, and we are also happy for them. We welcome them to Lagos State University, and the second best university in Nigeria, hopefully the best university in Nigeria very soon. And we are actually wishing them a very successful period of their academics for the next 4 or 5 years when they'll be in the university. So we are happy this is happening. We congratulate Sandwich Degree Program. We congratulate the director, Professor Olade Pupo, for putting this together. It's been about the 4th or 5th year in a row that the Sandwich Degree Program is having their matriculation and their orientation, and it has been consistent, and that is a good one. That is quality, at the very best, and we can't but applaud them for that good work.
I applaud.
Yes, applaud them for that good work. Thank you, everybody. 2:30 is the time for us to come back for the matriculation proper. Without matriculation, you can't be a bona fide student. We want to say congratulations to all of us, all of our students who are part of this matriculation experience. Yes, quickly moving away from that. On Wednesday at the Makonjo-Ola Hall, we had another program by the LASU Master in Public Administration, and they are talking about, they did what we call Leadership Summit and Awards, and the participants said we must have all-inclusive leadership stuff in Nigeria. So what do you say about that?
Well, I felt the program, though I wasn't there, but I want to really believe that it's something that the past administration has been pushing over the years. If you look at it, the topic from the angle of all-inclusive governance, you can see what is as that process has really fetched Lagos State University in the last 5 years or thereabout. If you are part of a process, definitely there's no way you're going to follow that process. But if you have been exempted from the process, then there's going to be a problem. So all of us must come around the table. We must be able to work together as a team and ensure that we are ready to present something that is of value and of substance. Shane was there, really, and I think he's going to do justice to that conversation. But all-inclusive governance starts from our different families, right from our nuclear family down to extended and even to the community. We should be able to show our egg on the table before we allow other people to participate. There's nothing for us to hide if you have a transparent agenda.
Well, you constantly hear people ask the question, who we offend for this country? Like, but why are we like this? And the truth of the matter is, Nigeria is in such a mess that people are constantly complaining, people are constantly lamenting about the situation. But the point is, we must realize that leadership is the basics for everything. Every failure we've had today is a result of leadership. And when you talk about leadership, I think one thing that was very germane for the discussion that day was the fact that leadership is not just about those that are in the political office. It's about every one of us. We are leaders in one way or the other, and that was well articulated by the special advisor to the governor on tourism, Mr. Bono, yes, alongside other speakers that spoke that day. And it was a successful one. We congratulate MPA for putting the program together, and we're looking forward to more of it.
We look forward to more of that. You heard it from us. You are a leader in your own right. So if you are leading a family as well, lead very well. If you are a gate man, ensure that you gate man very well. You are driving, drive very well. If you are a journalist, if you are a boxer, box very well.
Journalist.
You are a journalist too now.
If you are an arm robber, please jawo.
If you are a student very well. I like that. So moving away from that, before we go into sports, we'll be joined by one of our sports guys in the house talking about Cosmos. Somebody call him Cosmos Aderibigbe, boy. His name is Cosmos Chukwuemeka. So let's talk about this one before we go into sports. Yes, Cargo Direct. If you want to go into importation and exportation, they came around and they trained our students and staff. Unfortunately, I was not there yesterday. I was away to Ekpe on an official assignment.
Yes, Cargo Direct was in. Cargo Direct is one of the leading logistics organizations in Nigeria, and they were graciously on our campus yesterday to train our students and staff on importation and exportation. The fact is that everybody uses something imported. Everybody, regardless of
this your clothes,
regardless of
this your clothes.
Everybody uses something.
No, I don't. Now Nigeria, they buy my thing.
You try. You know useful Navi. So the fact that everybody is using an imported thing means that there's a huge market in that, and
we have to keen to it.
Yeah. So and for students, many of them are looking for side hustle, even for staff, and that was an opportunity for them to.
So you go train me now. You know, say I know did it.
No, you pay. That's an opportunity for them to learn an extra and those sorts of.
Jerry, you can hear your brother.
I'm feeling demand.
Okay, I will talk to Okpe. There's somebody who can cover for me. Okpe will do that for me.
You're on your own.
Yeah, of course, she's the last Jumia agent.
Okay, that's the ambassador. Okay, thank you guys. We've heard about that. Yeah, you need to really do
additional source of income,
so that you can really be on that higher pedestal. So we've been joined by Mr. Cosmos Chukwuemeka Aderibigbe. Yes, that's one name.
You can call him Master.
Master, yes now.
You added the Aderibigbe, right?
No, Mrs. Gata did that, yeah. So
and I had the dog.
Funny enough, there's someone that usually called me Cosmos Aderibigbe back in the day.
So that means that Mrs. Gata just saw that in a dream.
I think there was a super opera in the 70s, 80s. And there was a
Cosmos guys, quickly let's talk about this one. We're talking about sports. Yes, the El Clasico is this weekend.
Okay.
It's going to be another rivalry. That's rivalry that has been there between Barcelona and who is leading the La Liga now?
At the moment, Atletico Madrid is leading.
Okay. With how many points?
Just about a point, I think.
That's 2 points. So
2 points.
If this weekend Barcelona really wins this one, so where is it going? Where are we heading?
Why can't Real Madrid win?
I'm just asking you a question.
It's very tight because it's going to change the complexion of how the La Liga is going to be. Now, Atletico Madrid, they lost last weekend. Now, if Atletico Madrid lose or even draw, they are coming down to probably second or third. It depends on whatever happens between the two sides. Real Madrid.
Okay, who do you give? Let me quickly ask my other guys now. Who do you give this one to, Madrid or Barcelona, considering the form the two teams are at this point in time?
Well, the two of them are actually in very good form.
Very good form, yeah.
So, but as a Barcelona fan, of course, that's really
certainly.
I would like to go for Barcelona too, at least for the very first time.
So, majority
I don't like Real Madrid for now.
Okay, let's go back to Champions League now. during the week. I never thought it was going to be possible, but there, Chelsea on the road, they beat Porto 2 goals in their own backyard.
Give it to us.
Technically, it wasn't on the road. It was a neutral ground because they didn't play in Porto.
But it's
they
not,
played
it's
in
not
Spain,
yeah,
and that's
no.
the same stadium they will play in the second leg.
Yes, no, but it's not at.
It was delicately poised.
Yeah, no. So
There's no.
Appreciate Chelsea. Just simple.
Am I not
Chelsea
appreciating
just
Chelsea?
took
That's
their chances.
it.
Okay, what's happening in EPL?
EPL.
Any match that's going to
Tottenham
be icing on the cake?
the big one, Tottenham versus Manchester United.
Okay, the Red Devils. Okay. So
That's
what's going to happen?
happening on Sunday.
So what's going to happen?
What
Sunday.
So
There's a game today, though. That's a game between Fulham and Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Right.
It's going to decide who goes on relegation or not.
Relegation
And then there's
battle
also one for tomorrow. Man City Leeds. That's the first game for tomorrow.
Yeah, Manchester City, Leeds United,
Leeds
and
United.
back in the day, that used to be one of the biggest games.
Yes.
Before we wrap things up now, the Lasusi Champions League, I think it's ongoing. And
it's ongoing.
The HIFL, any updates?
Okay, so for the HIFL, LASU is going to be hosting the Zone C. LASU is going to be hosting the Zone C of the HIFL league. So LASU will be there with 5 other schools. And of course, for the Lasusu Champions League, there, of course, teams are going. I'm actually proud of Mass Communication, the School of Communication. They're doing well.
That's your concern.
The
Are you
two
their coach?
teams- Eh?
That's
Idea
our
coach.
territory.
I am saying it from the point of comradeship.
An affiliation.
But frankly, it's been fantastic. We've been seeing some good players, and a few of them will be playing in the IFL league.
I remember the goalkeeper. I know the last HIFL Cup, this guy, I've forgotten his name, the
Saka.
goalkeeper, Saka, that guy, he can compete in Nigerian league if he has a good manager.
He's going to be.
The
He's
guy-
going to,
he
he's
has-
going to be playing the IFL
He
as
has
well.
super reflexes, and that guy was awesome in those matches. Against the one we played against OAU, that guy was something else.
Yes, it's
so
actually
on the final
quite
note, guys, what do you wish all the teams that are playing this weekend? I've not talked about AC Milan. I don't know what's happening.
AC Milan are not winning the league. Sorry.
Yeah, it's so painful now. But one thing I noticed that all the leagues, all those who started very well now, they are not on the top of the league.
It's
so
called consistency. You have to be consistent. It's a long road. You have to win the war, not
that's
a
why
battle.
it's a league. It's a
It's a
marathon.
league. It's a
Yes,
marathon.
so
Oh, the Lagos City Marathon is tomorrow as well.
Access
So
Bank
please, if you are going out, be careful because many roads will be restricted.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, enjoy the song. At the end of the day, quickly, guys, let's quickly say our bye so that we get out of the studio.
We're on
We
the
can
very
go
last note. We keep appealing to all members of staff to exercise some patience with the investment management. The investment management has appealed that the passing issue of light and water in some areas is being addressed, and very, very soon we expect that a permanent solution will be found. So let's continue to work with the university and let's continue to keep faith. From myself, Oluwaseun Gbanja, it's been a wonderful day. Good afternoon and enjoy the rest of your day.
Well, for me, I would just like to say that I'm playing Crystal Palace tomorrow. It's a top 4 finish in the last 8 games remaining. I just want to wish
Are you on the
all-
top 4?
Presently, yes, Chelsea's on top 4.
Okay.
But it's very close. So I just want to wish my team and all the fans a successful outing tomorrow.
I can see that smile on your face. Yeah, I want to wish AC Milan too. It's so bad that you are on second now, but then that's his life goes on. It started very, very, very well, but that's one of the things in life. So, all I want to say thank you to everybody. Our producer, Omidon, Theodumon, Kodri, Kunle, Adekoya, Mrs. Mogaji, Okpe, you guys, thank you so much, Jerry and Sheung, and those who are behind the scene that are not here. Aisha, I can see you from here. You want to lead you with the song of Fine Bob Bella. This one is called Rush. Do have a great weekend because this program remains the top of the program that you can always rely on. Until when we come away next week, have a great weekend. Congratulations to all our students who are doing the matriculation today. God bless you. Have a great weekend. By the Gate Lanwadi Daoud, signing on behalf of the whole team. Bye. Have a great weekend.
I'm living in a rush because I'm moving fast. Them say my matter don't cast, but me I no reply. Why them asking me why? Violence getting high. Mommy I never reply, cause I way that's my way. Jesus Christ, she on me, what did you find? Why I will